Does the laser now have dual-head light output? Today, ZAMIA Laser brings you a brand new product, N30D Pro Carbon Dioxide RF Laser, the world's first dual-head light output laser. This laser uses dual output coupled mirror resonant cavity technology to achieve stable light output from both heads at the same time, which directly doubles the work efficiency. The actual test data shows that the power stability of the beams on both sides is almost the same. In the embroidery industry, N30D demonstrates excellent processing capabilities. Its dual-head light-emitting design can process 2 locations simultaneously, doubling production efficiency, which is equivalent to 1 laser performing the functions of 2 lasers. At the same time, the high-efficiency performance of the N30D laser significantly reduces the energy consumption of the equipment, reduces operating costs, and brings higher economic benefits to users. As the world's first dual-head RF carbon dioxide laser, N30D Pro has applied for patent certification from the China National Intellectual Property Administration. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. ZAMIA has a deep understanding of user needs and upholds the spirit of innovation. We defend innovation with our strength and demonstrate excellence with our achievements.